Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark, and today we are going to continue our journey to Italy, or should I say, the village of Modena, the city of Modena. Yes, we are going to visit the Modena Museum, no, the Enzo Ferrari Museum in Modena. Modena. Modena, yes, that's it, in Italy. Uh huh. So, like I said, this year was all about our journey to Italy with the kids, showing them the Ferrari experience, the Ferrari life, and a few videos ago, you have seen our visit to the Maranello Museum with Ferrari, from Ferrari, and today, or in this video, I'm going to show you the Enzo Ferrari hometown. Nah, should I say the place where he was born, lived, and started his company, the Scuderia Ferrari. So enjoy this one. Now I forgot to write down what cars I saw, and I can do my homework, but I don't feel like it. You do the homework. Make a list for me. Right here in this video. What cars do you see, and what car do you like? I know one special car I really like. There's a 308 in the museum. So watch it first. Watch the first part. Yeah, do it. How cool is that? A 308 in a museum from Ferrari. My low budget car, or a similar low budget Ferrari, the poor man's Ferrari, between all the $1 million supercars and Goldie Oldies vintage. Cool, man. That's really cool. I'm kind of proud. How cool is that? Okay, back to the museum. The museum has two parts. You have just seen the modern part of the museum, the new building, architecture, high, etc. And now we're gonna go to the old part. It's not there, but you know what I mean. The old part of the museum where you can see some more Ferrari models and some, well, just watch it. Again, no commentate, commentate, just watch it. God damn, this was a quick one, short video, but it's just for fun. I've got a little update on my 308 for you guys. We finally got the budget to finish it off. Almost, but good enough to make an appointment to get this car out of here and get her to the dealer, get the engine back in and finish it up. Meanwhile, we're gonna work on the BMW, and sell that one because we need money for this one. But it will be okay. Yeah, we're gonna finish it. Yay! Hey, thank you for watching. See you again next time. And hey, goodbye.